Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Adopt. So today we will be checking another AI tool which is very interesting, and it will be second in series from like 3 days back. We have checked a RapJam which was very interesting. So today we'll be doing hands-on on another uh, quite different and unique feature AI tool. So let's check on that. This is patterned AI. So for this, as you can see here, we have uh, different kinds of pattern. So you must have got an idea like uh, for this, from this it will be there will be image which will be in pattern, different kinds of pattern. So I think for uh, different fashion brand where unique patterns are required, like clothes or uh, bags or or painting or wherever texture is there, kind of thing. So this pattern AI will be very useful. As you can see here, there will be waiting list for business. So it seems it is not yet rolled out for business enterprise thing. So you can see here what are different things they have, and it output is very uh, accurate and with in pattern manner, as its name suggests. You can see here we can create for different uh, colors or different format output we can see here. So let's start with sign in. As you can see here, we have like, if for it required only Google. For few of the another AI tool I have observed that there can be different login required, like you can use your email, personal email, other than Gmail or Facebook or another kind. But here it is required only Gmail. So let's start with Gmail. So we have now logged in, and here we have uh, two inputs we can use, from text and from image. And it seems there is credit pattern. So I think it will be yeah, so it will be let's check how it requires. So I have used earlier 4 pattern or 5 pattern. So credits I have used. So one credit equal to one pattern. So you can see here 300 credits. Okay. No. So this is for paid service, but for free trial we can use 25 trial credits. And since I have worked on this earlier, I have used 5 credits. So we have 20 credits as of now to use. So let's try to check few of them. Similar, we have prompt guide and dashboard. So here in dashboard we can see we can use how to use prompt to get images, and to write prompt they have different section like prompt guide, where we can use we can get idea how to use different prompt, like flower or style, then artist. So it's kind of like AI image generator, but it's for only for pattern. specifically it is created for pattern only. So finishing touch, and here they have given few of the example, and there will be like kind of prompt waiting where we can improve quality of that prompt with different factor or different words. So you can, I will once you whenever you want to start with uh, expertise or do more, when do you want to explore more of this particular website or AI tool, you can check in depth for this particular more of prompt guide. So as of now, I am not going to in detail for how that for each prompt and how different prompts work with different example. Let's go through only few of the image, and what I will try to do, I will just use one of the let's instead of using earlier one, let's start with simple one. So here this needs to be removed, then flower, I will use style as vintage, then artist, I'm not sure who is this artist, but it seems very famous, so also we will also use that. Then organic fill, so use this particular prompt weight. Let's see how it works. Then then we can use like to create one image at a time, or two or three or four. It starts with two. For one image it start with two, then for four images. Okay, so number of image by default it will be two, and we can extend till four in free trial. So let's generate pattern. Okay, we can see here beautiful pattern output we got. Okay, so also they have this feature where you can visualize your output pattern with a different output or different scenario. So like for this as a t-shirt, then box, and this as a wallpaper, this is mobile case, bag, book cover, pillow, socks, then it's just a image. And we have this downloading option. We as of now it is for free, it is only PNG option is available format, but with credits we can use large PNG, SVG, but since if you are just checking like exploring, I suggest do not use this, so it will save your credits limit. So you have only 25 credits, so use wisely. Then we can also provide response like uh, how that particular output is generated. So it will help them to improve their model. Yeah, I've done responding, and here we have this scale, or uh, where from that what we can say, zoom slider. So from this you can zoom in or zoom out for get extreme detail. So it here we can see it is not sharp image, but still while zooming out you can identify. So okay, with zooming this function, that you can also check, yeah, with this particular. So this is not correct. It, yeah, it is fine, this particular pattern is fine. And you can add favorite or copy. Okay, we can copy image as well, and text to image. Then we will again go to same dashboard, that our prompt is gone. So here we have gallery, my gallery, where earlier I have tried output, and from image I can use from my gallery okay. I can't choose from my gallery. So here we have only limited amount of options available. So I will just choose this. Okay, I wanted to, oh, here we have, sorry for that. Then from this, from image, from device it is premium function, from gallery let's use this one, and we can generate similar. Oh, earlier also we had same option, generate similar, so that I didn't use, but here we can use. I think there will be some pattern changes, otherwise it will be only similar kind of, yeah, we can see here almost similar, just patterns are different, so that's why the name it is. And also in gallery we can see here different options available. I think all these options are from user who are using free. For pro users, their output or creative output is not displayed here. That's I think that will be another advantage for create content creator who want to do like do business with this particular kind of patterns for different brands. Okay, you can scroll down, it will be it will show different output, all the available different outputs. There is no filter available here, which I can see. There must be some if they will be updating this AI tool in future, there will be some they can update you as a filter where different like artist or different styles they can filter out, like for lines or for flowers, trees. If it will be uh, it will be added advantage for those filter. So okay, so this particular uh, it is similar to image but in pattern manner. So we can see here they have actual image. I think some pro user have used from their device, and from that they have created this pattern which we can see here. So that's it for today, and for tomorrow we will come up with another interesting topic. So that's thank you all.